What is up, everybody? What is up, everybody? Crypto Hedge here with another live stream update. What's up, Rick? What's up, my man, Rick? What's up, man? Hey, Dark Trends. I was speaking with Chrissy. On Twitter. We were going back and forth about technical analysis. I was trying to help her out and whatnot. We were talking about all kinds of stuff, exchanging information and stuff like that. We're both on the same page too, Dark Trends. We're both on the same page with our trades. So what's up? What's up? Litecoin should be $56, $57. Well, if you look at this right here, Rick Peterson can speak for me. Rick Peterson, if you're here, or whoever was here for the late night live stream. We did a late night live stream last night, and unfortunately, it got copyrighted on like 50 songs. So you want to know what? The only country that live stream from last night can be viewed in is in Japan. It's blocked in 248 countries because of the copyright. So basically, we went through all the charts. We were going through everything. If you weren't here, you missed out. But you know what? There's probably going to be another time in the future. Maybe if I get a few donations in my Litecoin wallet. But you guys can see. Look at this. I called it right here, around right here, and here we are. We broke out, heading back up. My goal is to be hitting $56, then another reversal, but we could break out of the wedge into a new high, which would be around $60. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Rick. I'm glad Rick is here. Rick was here for sure during last night's live stream. Yeah, so everything's looking fantastic. I'm glad that we look at it. I mean, it is breaking out just as fast as it went down. At the current moment. So I've got like the best chicken right here. So good. Someone asked if I sleep. I do sleep a lot, actually, more than I should. But yesterday during the daytime I decided to sleep all day. Yeah, so last night I had to stay up all night, especially because of the price action, and I'm gonna be up all day today because I have a lot of things I have to do with real estate, so not trading. It's nice to see you, Rick. Rick. Did you order that Nano Ledger S? I'm excited. That candlestick looks like hot F you. I see what you're saying. I mean, I've been watching this. Oh, nah. I mean, I did a live stream. I literally did technical analysis for 4 hours. And a lot of people learned a lot. But, yeah, guys, show your support. Tip the addresses I have in the description of my YouTube videos. Show your support. Make sure to smash that like button, of course. Why not? But look at this channel that is getting broken right now to the upside, and there was really low volume for the longest time. I mean, the volume was really negative, negating, and we can see right here it dropped below. I'm sure stop orders were hit right here, stop orders, and they probably woke up to, wow, oh my gosh, my stop order was hit. So that's why I stay up. There's been a lot of price action in the nighttime for me, which is Eastern Standard Time, and yeah, so everything's looking solid. Everything's looking solid. As of right now, you know, I think that everyone that was watching that live stream with me is already profitable, at least $2 per Litecoin. We didn't really go over Bitcoin that much, although I do trade Bitcoin, of course. But yeah, so everything's solid. We're still waiting for further moves up. This is a fat candlestick. Holy crap. Holy moly. This is fat. Hopefully, if it ends above here, what time is it? Oh my gosh, it is going to end above here. This candlestick's about to end right here. 1 minute until 8 a.m. Dude, this is crazy. Litecoin is on the move as we speak. I am right there with you. It is on the move. Rick Peterson got in at 52.51. Good job, my friend. That was a great move. Great move. I was picking up the dip too. Don't worry about that. I was definitely getting those dips. I've been swing trading. I'm guilty, but you know what? I only swing a small percentage of my portfolio, and I hodl. I hodl a lot. And when I take my swings, and the more I make on my swings, I take a percentage of those swings, and I throw them into the long-term hodl, and then I increase that same percentage swing back up. Then I throw it back into the hodl bag. That's what I do. That's what I do, guys. Rick Peterson, Rick. You used to trade the stock market, right? What's up, B Creative? Nice to have you here. You know, I'm really sick of. I don't know if anyone else here is sick of Switchblade, but I'm pretty sick of Switchblade. We already covered Switchblade. So I don't know. Switchblade hit comes into every single one of my live streams, always spreading negativity. He needs to go. He needs to go. It's time. I'm eating the best chicken right now. I'm in the dragon's den. I'm in the man cave, where I do a lot of my trading. Rick said it, kind of. I have money there diversified in stocks. Next time he's out, you better kick him out next time. Be creative. This is my last live stream until I'm tuning out all day, because I'm gonna be out. I have a lot of meetings to go to. I have a lunch to go to. I have a brunch to go to. So I won't even be trading, sadly. But it's the last live stream. Yeah, you can hear the rooster. I'm actually really close to the rooster. I'm in the den. I'm in the dragon's den right now. I'm very close to the rooster. Yeah, that rooster does not shut up. Does not shut up. I'm eating the best food. I'm eating the best food right now. Pesto chicken. Homemade. Homemade, my friends. Thankful that Irma didn't take me. I'm thankful too. But I'm really, you know, I'm upset because, you know, Key West got destroyed. A lot of my friends just got power. A lot of my friends. What's up, the Dubai review? It's hard to talk and eat at the same time. But I think that with Litecoin, watching it closely, I've been watching it really closely. With Litecoin, I think that where's Vertcoin? I think that Litecoin is gonna reverse from this line right here. This line, descension line. It didn't head back down. I mean, it would be a good swing, but everything's solid. You know you pulled an all-nighter when you're eating pesto chicken with tomatoes in the morning. You definitely know. But this is gonna be like a short live stream. It's probably gonna be like, I don't know, short, because I have so much I have to do today. It's actually overwhelming. And I'm gonna be picking up my my additional Nano Ledger S. I'm gonna be picking it up. My second batch, it's being held at the post office because it wasn't home for the signature. The life of being in the real estate industry is tough, especially trading by night and real estate by day. It's like, I need to be young. You know, I'm actually a lot younger than people think, a lot younger. I'm just ahead of my time, I guess. But yeah, I'm a workaholic. I barely sleep. When I do get sleep, I sleep a long time. I mean, I'm usually up. I'm often up 2 days in a row, and then I sleep for like a day. It's kind of, you know, have you ever seen some of like the most successful people, like Albert Einstein and like just in history, like what their sleep schedules were like, and a lot of them had really screwed up sleep schedules. I have a really screwed up sleep schedule, just really screwed up sleep schedule. So Flow in the house. What's up, Rob D. Scott? See, I'm a person that like I want to become so successful that I can retire at a young age and do absolutely nothing. Well, not absolutely nothing. I want to travel the entire world. Once I'm finished working, I have my money that I'm happy with. Um, I'm really big-headed, extremely motivated. I do not settle for anything less than what I want in life. So that's the way I live. I mean, I'm a big Tony Robbins advocate. I don't know if you guys like Tony Robbins. I went through his entire Business Mastery University. Changed my life. Changed my life. I'm all about self-growth. What's up, horsing around? I'm not going to disclose how old I am, but I am a college graduate. But I'm I'm a young college graduate. I like to do like big boy stuff. I'm just not like someone. I could be a partier. Trust me when I say that. But I'm like someone that wants to be ahead of the game. A lot of people are clueless as to what they're gonna do in the future for their job, and such matters. Look at Litecoin's going down a little bit, and I'm not gonna be that person that gets a useless degree and waits until they're like 25 to start working and works and lives in their mom's basement. I can't be that person. So I've been ahead of the game for a little while. As long as I'm older than Data Dash. I've seen Data Dash on YouTube before. I love Tony Robbins. I'm a huge advocate. Early 20s. I am in my early 20s. People think I'm a lot younger than I actually am, though. I'm younger than probably most of you people, or you guys think I am. But yeah, I mean, everything's looking good, guys. I know probably a lot of the people that are tuning in right now, we really don't have a lot of people watching, which is surprising. I usually get like 200 plus on my streams, but hey, it's okay. I'm fine. I'm happy. But for the people that have tuned in for last night's live stream, you guys are doing mighty fine right now with the pump that we definitely anticipated. Everything's looking solid, guys. Everything's looking solid. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Can't wait to like just walk around and do my things today. Just like, yeah, I'm profitable. Feels good. It's like life's better. Well, I think that Litecoin is still, it didn't hit $56. I'm gonna look at it right now. I don't think it hit $56. I think it still needs to hit 56. Actually, it did hit $56. I think I'm waiting for the candlestick to hit $56, and then I will make my move. You can see the sell orders on GDAX. So I think that you could do a solid swing at 56. I think personally. Solid swing at 56. This hasn't reloaded, so I need to reload this. It's not showing, it's not accurate. If we look right here, I'm waiting for the candlestick to end at this wedge at the moment. But I see where you're coming from, Dark Trends. I see where you're coming from. If you're going to swing trade, it's best to sell the bit before the dip, so you have leverage. But if you have to buy at a higher price, make sure you have a bullish confirmation. A lot of people looking like they're selling off. I'm with you on that. I'm with you on that. Bitcoin order book's looking pretty solid, but I think that Litecoin will dip back. It caught up with Bitcoin. Bitcoin took a little bit of a rest. Not really, actually. It's $4,010 right now on GDAX. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the indicators, it's always good to sell at top. When you go in with a swing, you have a plan, and then you sell. That's how it is. And I'm right there because dark trends. I was talking to Chrissy on Twitter. I was talking to her, and she was saying that it's gonna drop at 56. I was agreeing with her. I think that looking at the pattern, the wedge, I think that it will drop at 56. If not, it's already starting to drop, but I think it still needs to go up a little more. Especially since you know, look at these candlesticks. I think that it still needs to go up. I mean, it could potentially, yeah, I'm looking at like 56 to 56, 55, and then a reversal. But if you want to sell now, you're still selling relatively safe, I think. But I still want to wait until we get up to here to look at the indicators and to see whether we're gonna break out of this wedge. That's what I'm waiting for. So my plan is to sell at the top. Thank you, Rob Scott. Favorites, showing love to my favorite South Florida YouTuber. Check out silvermine.com for the silverback cryptos. Thank you, Rob. I'm already long. I mean, I have my long holdings. These are just swing trades. I mean, I guess I'm doing swing trades on YouTube now. I guess. You guys are getting exclusive stuff. I mean, wow, we have like nobody tuning in, which is kind of funny. But that's fine by me. I mean, I could care less as long as, you know, I actually like when there's less people because the chat box isn't rowdy. There's a lot of people. The chat box just gets rowdy, and the moderators have to work. So the moderators are resting. They're resting. But I'm watching it closely, guys, and I will have my swing set. Look at that candlestick, looking solid. Look at the volume. Indicators are definitely slamming. I'm just, you know, I'm hanging out, man. You know, nothing's better. Nothing's better than making money. I mean, well, there is things that are better than making money, but I mean, like, think about it. Like, you can make so much money in such a short period of time. A bear market in cryptocurrencies is so much shorter than a stock market. It's like, it blows my mind that people rather trade the stock market than cryptocurrency. It's like, what are you doing? Like, I'm over here making so much more than you're making, what, 0.01% gains on the stock? Stock market's in a bubble. Glenn said he's been up all night with Crypto Hedge. I know. This is probably like one of the very few times I'm going to do you know, multiple live streams. I've done like 3 live streams in one day. Not going to happen often. But we're in a very important time. Simply because we're trying to identify, because there's 2 ways that it can go. We can either continue the bearish continuation, or we can see a bullish reversal. Now, you guys know from my forecast that I am on the bullish side, but I'm going to try to keep you guys updated as frequent as possible, so that you guys can follow my trades. I mean, all of my orders hit from this last trade, from around the bottom of this, the bottom to I think it was 44.50 was my last trade in. Not 44.50, 54.50. smaller as I go up, though. Why am I looking at the Korean dollar? Number one, less manipulation. Number two, they have the highest volume out of any other exchange. GDAX, the worst was over. That's what Cliff High tweeted. I haven't seen Cliff High's tweets. You misread my Cliff High tweet text earlier. He tweeted Friday morning that the worst was over. Okay. Okay, yeah, because I know that earlier you said that he said the worst is almost over. So I don't know. I could go check his tweet now. But I'm bullish. Do I have a preference for tipping? I really like, out of any tip from any of my addresses, I really like Litecoin tips. Out of anything, that's really like where I've gotten most of my tips. You guys know this is basically the Litecoin YouTube channel. I mean, I do technical analysis, almost strict technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and everything else almost strictly on Litecoin. I barely talk about Bitcoin, but I think that there's so much potential in Litecoin. I think it's a baby. I mean, it reminds me of Bitcoin in 2012. Okay? So I think that Litecoin just has so much to grow. And you guys know I'm already coming at you guys with Vertcoin. Vertcoin has a huge future, and I'm calling it way before we see these gains. I'm a long-term hodler of that coin, guys. Cow tip. Oh, thank you, Tyler. That's really kind of you. Thank you so much. But I'm gonna go check out. What's his name? Cliff High's tweet. I follow him on Twitter. I don't even look at my newsfeed on Twitter. Maybe once in a while. I'm a poster. I post so much on Twitter, it's annoying. I'm sure people are like, gosh, does this guy like ever stop posting on Twitter? But when I'm behind a computer, which is a lot of the time, you know when I'm behind a computer because I just tweet like crazy. But you know when I'm not either, whether I'm out or sleeping. I just don't tweet. So you guys know that. I mean, I didn't have a Twitter before this account that I made. Ack. I started using the ack thing. You guys probably saw it. Ack needs must as the devil drives. I don't know. Where did he say? Plus Ripple crash harder and longer. Yeah, you guys know what I think. You guys have heard it from me. Cliff High tweet, now is the time to panic over your Bitcoin cryptos. Okay, now you have that out of your system. Next up tooth coming soon. Okay. Okay. No, I'm not bearish. Literally right after I posted that tweet, Corleone, right after I posted that tweet, I went live. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna tweet because I don't need people seeing this crap and then like saying some other thing. So I literally went live for 4 hours, tracking this trend, and everyone that was probably half the people that are even in this stream right now probably were in that live stream, stayed up all night with me watching it. So dark trends, you might be in for a little bit of a surprise. But yeah, no, I wasn't bearish. I went live. I told you guys, I said we need to have a confirmation. Watching it closely, it dipped down here. I started to, tweet. I was like, oh crap, this is not looking good. And then it popped right back up. Didn't liquidate anything. What did I do? I went live for like 4 hours to get the confirmation, and look at where we are now. So many people jumped in when I was doing that live stream. Let's watch Litecoin. Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin's at 4,1099. Yeah, no, Litecoin jumped a lot. Litecoin went from 54 to basically 56 in a very short period of time. So I think we do need a retracement. 58 first or 52? I don't actually see. I mean, I think that we would be hitting around $56 solid, candlestick ending there, and then we'd be dipping down in the wedge. So, no problem, EJ. Litecoin's fast. The confirmations are fast, so it'll be a lot faster than Bitcoin. Thank you, Tyler, for the Litecoin donation. I appreciate it. Thank you for your support. That's good, Dark Trends. I was talking to Chrissy earlier. We were on the same page with a lot of things. But I'm just waiting a little bit longer. A little bit longer. Everything's okay. Everything's okay. Litecoin's not boring. Not when there's price action. Wasn't the first time I've seen you hit the marks right as predicted. LTC is why I jumped up naked and got to my computer. That's funny. Hey, we were talking about you over dinner. We love this swing game and your passion is amazing. Thank you, Dark Trends. I really appreciate that. No, thank you. Seriously, thank you, Tyler. Man, I tweet a lot. I mean, look at this. This is something I've been looking at. I mean, this came out of nowhere, and BitThumb doesn't have manipulation for the most part. That's why I actually look at it. That's one of the reasons. Less manipulation. Indicators are solid. I really can make good moves looking at Korean dollar to Bitcoin and Litecoin. And look at this order book right here. This has just been sitting there. This buy wall on the BitHum exchange. So that's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive, guys. So we'll have to wait and see. I think that we do need to see a little bit of a dip, though. A little bit, nothing huge. We'll have to watch and see. I mean, I'm going to be out all day shortly. And I'm going to probably confirm whether or not I'm going to be doing a swing soon. Probably won't be live when I do that. So, that's that. The fact that Litecoin went to $33 is it's insane. It's insane. If you sold at $90 and you bought at $33, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know, because I missed that swing. And that's probably why I'm just like, gosh, I need to make up. I need to make up for that swing. So now I'm just like swinging everything. Not everything, but swinging more often. I know, Dark Trends, I was curious as to why you thought 40s tomorrow morning. I was asking Chrissy. I don't think she gave me an explanation. I want to know why you're thinking 40 or 40s tomorrow morning. Because it would be breaking out of my pattern that I'm following. Like, 40s are not on the books. $48 was $48. If we were going to dip down, next stop would be $48. But that's not the case right now. So I'm really waiting till we get to this point. I'll probably have a friend do the trade because I will not probably be available to do this. I'm gonna be out and about. But yeah, so I'm watching this closely. Yeah, I think it's gonna be dipping to like 53, 54, 52 to 54. Yes, tonight. But we need to watch it closely because I'm waiting till the top, and then, using my leverage. If I sell at the top instead of selling here, I would have less losses if we did break out of that wedge, and I wouldn't have lost as much profits. But if I sold right here, when there's no indicators that show that it's going to be dipping off to that low, I can see it taking a small dip at the moment, but that's why I'm waiting at the current moment for it to solidify up here, and then I would be using, risk management. If it does break out and finishes, then we would be moving up towards the 60s. Now, I think it's more likely to just fall back down into the wedge, and then eventually break out. But we'll have to watch it closely. I mean, we can't call these things too soon. I mean, you guys know my forecast. It's not a secret. I mean, this is the forecast from that video, which I'm still sticking by. I think China money is going to Japan. Japan, I think, is going to be the next big buying power. Next big buying power. Next big buying power, guys. Parabolic. But yeah, guys, just wanted to tune in for a live stream. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to be ending this live stream now, so if you guys want to check out my last live stream, it's titled, "Are we in a bear market or a bull market?" You guys can watch that live stream out, or you can make sure to follow me on Twitter. Smash that like button. I don't know how many people we have watching right now. Make sure to smash that like button, guys. We have 30 likes and 100 people watching. Smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Follow my Twitter. I will see you guys soon. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.